Record.
Hey guys, it's Natural Gas. Are you ready to see another video? You have to drink looks yellow with like melted pea. And then we're gonna try to taste what it tasted. First I'm gonna go and then Chrissy, my brother, is gonna go holding the camera.
Let me show you what it looks like.
Then we'll talk about melted pea.
Don't tell my brother.
It looks like melted pea.
Okay, let's just get recorded. Taste it.
Tastes like water and Coke. Did I get it?
No.
Did I get it correct?
Yes, there's water and Coke. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe for more of these type of videos. So,
bye bye.